Besides creating content for YouTube, I spent a lot of time watching videos on YouTube, but I figured out a simple and obvious way to use my YouTube account so that I can watch more of the videos I like, especially from the videos of the content creators I love to watch. Welcome to A Warehouse Chef. I'm George. I'm a full-time restaurateur, and by full-time I mean like my job never stops. I'm passionate about cooking, and I'm even more passionate about helping educate people. I want to make it easier for my friends and family and you to eat healthy, and I want to make it easier by offering time-saving and money-saving advice through my videos. This is my cooking channel. I've been releasing videos for over 4 years. I have around 180 videos. I devote an average of 25 hours a week to plan, research, write, film, edit, update my website, create PDF recipes, to ultimately post my YouTube A Warehouse Chef videos. It's a process I do all by myself, and that, in addition to my restaurant, is a huge commitment. And it becomes disheartening when a video doesn't get the exposure it deserves. I mean, there has to be a better way other than relying on YouTube to not only expose me to content I like, but to promote the content I create. And even though YouTube will suggest videos that interest me, it seems that in my home feed, they're there because they have a large number of views. And it makes sense. I mean, I hate to admit it, but I'm more likely to click on a video that has more views than one that hardly has any. That doesn't mean that a video with fewer views isn't as good or relevant to me. YouTube is all about getting you and me to stay on YouTube and watch more and more content. And based on what we watch, their algorithm will continue to supply us with what it thinks is gonna keep us watching. Now, I'm on both sides of the fence here. To show you how you can have more of the content you want, I'm gonna give you insights as a creator and as someone who uses YouTube a lot. I've received many comments from my viewers about how underrated my channel is, or that my channel should have more subscribers and that my videos should have more views. As creators, we're given an enormous amount of data to help guide us in creating better content. I have to keep up with these analytics, and no matter how hard I follow all of the countless tips, suggestions, and the numbers, I can never figure out which video will get the most views or when it will get them. Here's an example. I released a video about Kirkland grass-fed butter versus Kerrygold. In its first year, it barely received 20,000 views. Then suddenly, it skyrocketed. I got lucky. It happened at the time that there was some controversy surrounding the packaging of Kerrygold butter, and guess who's one of the few channels that had a video on Kerrygold butter? This has happened to other videos where they will lay dormant for a month or two or a year, and then boom, suddenly, they gain a lot of traction. I have nearly 50,000 subscribers, but according to my channel analytics, on average, far less than 5% of my subscribers are actually watching my videos. Why so few? I mean, if you've subscribed to my channel because you like the content, shouldn't you be watching the videos? Now, theoretically, at the very least, my videos should be getting thousands of views shortly after I release them. I subscribe to quite a few channels myself, and over the past year or so, I started to feel that many of those channels rarely released any videos. Have you felt that about the channels you subscribe to? Let me know below in the comments. If you have, you're not alone. I wanted to see what new videos the channels I subscribe to were releasing. I clicked on this button at the bottom of the screen of my phone. It's also on the side of my web browser, and it brings me to a list of my subscriptions and the content they release on their channels. It's similar to the home screen. The channels I subscribe to have released a lot of videos. I just wasn't aware of it. That's why we ask that you not only subscribe, but you hit that notification bell. I'm not a big fan of the notification bell. I should be, because if you hit that notification bell, you'll get a direct pop-up on your screen letting you know when I release a video. I subscribe to over 80 channels. I don't want to be notified every time one of them releases a video. When I do get a notification from a channel I subscribe to, it's not likely that I will stop what I'm doing to watch that video. So why are the majority of my videos getting such low views? YouTube is meticulous about the analytics of each video and will let me know specific details about the performance of each video I release. But many of my videos, according to those analytics, have what it takes to reach a broader audience, but they don't all the time. Here's the reason why. Content creators upload an average of 500 hours of video every single minute. I mean, just think about that. Every single minute, enough content is loaded onto YouTube to watch for nearly 3 weeks. Even if I happen to do everything right, I still have to compete with hundreds of thousands of hours worth of videos that consistently and historically get the largest amount of exposure. That's why if you're on your home screen, you will notice that the videos suggested to you are not only based on your viewing history, there are usually videos that have a lot of views and from channels that consistently get a lot of views. Many times I find that those videos are really not what I'm looking for. So here's what I'm doing now, and it's worked out great for me. I subscribe to channels that have content I'm interested in, and instead of relying on the video feed on my home screen, I just clicked on the My Subscription button instead. I have at my disposal all of the content I'm truly interested in. Not only will you be guaranteed to watch what you like, your content will be more of what you like because, well, you picked it. This also helps your favorite content creators directly, like me. Because if a content creator's subscribers watch a newly released video, it tells the algorithm to promote that video more because a lot more people are watching it. I use the home screen as a tool to help me find new content and ultimately channels that I can then add to my subscriber list. Spending more time on the My Subscription tab and less time on the home screen lets me watch what I want. It's simple. And if you really want to support a channel that you like, go that extra step and share a video that you enjoy on social media like Facebook or Reddit. It really, really goes a long way. And YouTube makes it super easy to do that. This is a cooking channel, and I rarely deviate from that topic. If you do choose to return here in the future, I will do all that I can to help you eat healthy, save money, and cook like a pro. If that's something that interests you, click on that subscribe button, watch one of these videos, and take advantage of the My Subscription button so you can watch exactly what you like. Cheers.